kaibigan, we are just on board right now here in the Paskrap of the Dabsam, which is the boat of the Paskrap in the Dabsam, mga kaibigan, here, mga kaibigan. We are just from Tagum City, mga kaibigan, bound to Island Garden City of Samal right now. So as you can see, no, magaganda ho dito, mga kaibigan. Parang nasa 5-star hotel ho tayo, no. Those people not yet to visit here in the Island Garden City of Samal, I would like to ask for you to experience this, mga kaibigan, because Island Garden City of Samal is one of the most beautiful city here in the country, here in the province of Bukidnon in Region 11, mga kaibigan, in which one of the most visit Island Garden City of Samal under of the tourism destinations around the world, mga kaibigan, kung makikita ho ninyo. So we are just being proud of our island here in the Island Garden City of Samal, mga kaibigan, because this island before there is no visitor here. It's only we are here only, mga kaibigan, no, makikita ho ninyo. But now we are just experienced, there is a lot of foreigner, there is a lot of people who are visiting here to experience the beautiful beaches here in the Island Garden City of Samal, mga kaibigan. So that's why kung makikita ho ninyo, no, every time now and then if I visit in my the place in which they belong to us, mga kaibigan. So yan o, mga kaibigan, no, try to experience for everything here in this universe, because life is too short, mga kaibigan. If you cannot experience right now, then experience for everything.